Welcome to the beginner's guide to breakdancing. In this tutorial, we'll teach you how to perform one of the foundational moves in b-boying, the 6-step. This dynamic footwork pattern is the building block for many other breakdancing moves. Let's get started. Alright, step 1, the stance. Begin with your feet shoulder width apart. This is your starting position, also known as base. Make sure your weight is evenly distributed between both feet. Step 2, your first step. Lift your right foot and step forward, crossing it over your left leg. Watch how the right foot crosses over the left. Step 3, second step. Your left foot and turn your body 90 degrees to the left. Your right foot should end up behind your left foot. Step 4, the third step. Lift your left foot and swing it to the left side, creating a half circle. Keep your right foot in place. Step 5, your fourth step. Continue the circular motion with your left foot until it's behind your right foot. Your left foot should now be behind your right, and you're facing a new direction. Step 6, your fifth and sixth steps. Lift your right foot and bring it around your left foot, completing another half circle. Finally, pivot your left foot once more to face the original direction. Congratulations! You just completed a 6-step. Here's some tips that you should use in practice. Like any skill, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing these steps to improve your 6-step. Remember to stay low to the ground, maintain balance, and control your movements. With dedication and practice, you will master this foundational b-boying move and be well on your way to becoming a skilled breakdancer. Thanks for watching our beginner's guide to the 6-step in breakdancing. Stay tuned for more tutorials on mastering the art of b-boying.